The Professional Document Analyzer comes with over 30 Excel templates. This means you can quickly generate matrices and reports for various purposes. Examples include compliance, requirement, and responsibility assignment matrices. Plus, produce content analysis reports. I am going to walk you through how to easily create your own Excel template. You will not have to write macros nor write code. You don't have to be an expert on using Excel. It is extremely easy. From the Welcome panel of the Professional Document Analyzer, click the Settings button. Now the Settings panel is displayed. Click the Templates menu. The list of 5 template types are now shown. There is a template type for each of analysis type. For example, the analysis results keywords is typically used for creating compliance matrices. However, you can create other matrices and reports that use keywords. When you select a template, you will see the templates preview on the right. If you want to modify the selected template, click the green Edit button at the bottom. But if you want to create a new template, then click the dark blue New button. This Excel template window will be displayed after you have clicked the New or Edit button from the Settings template panel. I am going to explain each of the fields on the right side, starting from the top. The first field is the Excel template file. Click the Select button and select the Excel file you want to use for your template. This Excel file should be already formatted with your headers and any branding you may want. After you have selected your Excel file, it will be shown on the left side. Next, enter an unique template name. Special characters are not supported and try to keep the name short. The data elements starting Excel row number is the first row where data is populated. For this example, row 3 will be the first data row. The sheet name, also is known as a tab or page, is a drop-down selection. Select the sheet that you want to be populated. And finally, enter a description that will let others know the purpose of this template. Enter Excel cell locations for any header content you may want to be populated. For example, the project name is set for column A, row 1. Click the Data Mapping icon button on the left. The Data Mapping subpanel is displayed on the right. Analysis results elements, such as caption, are listed with an Excel column drop-down. Elements that have no selection or column value will not be displayed in the template. The elements listing will vary some between the different types of templates. In other words, if you were creating a template using a dictionary, then the dictionary's term and definition elements would be shown, but keywords would not. The background color for whole numbers, when checked, the rows containing whole numbers will have the selected background color. The purpose is help identify beginning sections in your document. Notes come from the Analysis Result panel. A note is associated with a given data row. Within a template, notes can be populated to a specified column or a comment tag to another element. In this example, I have the note associated with the parsed segment or paragraph. After you have completed entering values and mapping elements, click the Save button. This completes the demonstration on how to create an Excel template in the Professional Document Analyzer. Thank you for joining me today. Please feel free to request an online demo or training. Online training is included with the subscription. Additionally, you are welcome to contact us if you have questions or want information. Check out our other videos to learn more about the Professional Document Analyzer.